Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to see how to write assembly code in Solidity. Let's write a function. To write assembly in Solidity, we have to use assembly keyword. In assembly, to declare a variable, we have to use let x is equal to colon equal to the value of the x. So now the x is equal to 1. You can return this value by writing uint x. You can remove the declaration here. Let's compile and deploy the contract. We have to add the pure keyword as this function is not mutating any state. This is compiled and deployed. The value of x is 1. Let's write a if condition in the assembly code. If x is less than 10, let's declare a variable z and it will be equal to 99. And let's return that variable. When x is not lesser than 10, the value of z will be 0. Let's compile and deploy. So we have got 99. This is a very small example of how we can write assembly code in Solidity.